Hello friends, today I'll show you how to print PHP array. So before start the work, make sure the local server on. I'm using the home server. You can use anyone. So let's start. Now I'm opening the editor. I'm using the PS Code editor. You can use any other. So this is the folder. Now I'm creating the file, the PHP array dot PHP. Alright, so before start the work, before start the code, we need to add PHP symbol. Now you can write here anything according to your need. So first of all, to create the array, is the variable array, then third bracket. Now add the value, array value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then you need to print. Alright, so we need to check the local server, localhost /php. Nothing showing. Now we can print here, like print r. Now we can just put the variable name, then we can check again. This is the print. Now if you want to show the file organism, then you can put br tag. So now we can reload again. No, sorry, not br, it will be pre tag. Pre. Now checking. Yes. Now I reproduce the oil organism. This is the normal array. Next video will show to the how to the associative array and others array. I will show you one by one. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.